There's a little-known AI system that can help you start earning over $1,000 a day. And the best part? You've probably never heard of it. This method is 100% beginner-friendly. No cost, no gimmicks. It's a simple, free, and super effective way to generate income right from the comfort of your own home. I'll be sharing templates that have already proven successful, allowing you to replicate them and start driving traffic right away. These AI-generated content pieces can bring in thousands of clicks a day for products I get paid to promote, and I'm showing you how to do the same. If you want access to the templates, the course, and everything else I'm offering today for free, just drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe. I'll send you the details in the replies. Plus, I'll show you step-by-step how to get started with this system during the video. For anyone new, welcome. You're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe. Now, let's break down how this works. You'll learn how to use AI to generate and repurpose content, and how we schedule posts consistently. Whether it's images, short videos, or text, AI helps us replicate successful content across multiple platforms. For example, check out this post on Instagram. Hundreds of comments that we convert into leads using AI. We're pushing this content across 44 different social platforms, and I'll show you how to do that today. You'll also see how we generate leads from new social profiles and grow fast, even on platforms we just launched. But it's not just about posting content. I'm going to show you how to turn that traffic into money. This happens through something called a funnel, a simple page that captures leads and sells whatever product or service you're promoting. I like to start by giving away free tools and resources because when people find success with them, they often upgrade to paid versions, and that's when you start earning. And here's the key. Once you have people looking at your content, you need to direct them somewhere, like a funnel, so you can turn that attention into cash. Whether you're promoting a service, a product, or a course, a funnel is essential. I'll walk you through building one step by step. If you're interested, head over to firstaitool.com or just use the link below and I'll give you access to everything, including templates, emails, and all the social media content you need to get started. You can even grab a 30-day free trial to the tool we use, and if it doesn't work for you, no big deal. You can cancel anytime. But if you're successful within those 30 days, you'll have everything you need to continue making money. This is how I build long-term relationships with leads. Offering something free up front brings in more people, and even if they don't buy right away, they could later on. And remember, we've got over 400 AI tools you can promote. Many of them have affiliate programs, so you can earn commissions by sharing links. It could be funnel software, scheduling tools, whatever fits your niche. I'll guide you on how to pick the right tools and start earning commissions just by giving people free trials. So, if you're ready to start, hit the links below, get access to all the tools, and let's get you earning with AI today. If you want to promote the offers I'm sharing, go ahead. If you'd rather promote something else, that's perfectly fine too. My goal is just to show you that this system works. If you observe the people making significant income today, many of them are using this strategy of offering free value up front. Here's the offer, a 30-day free trial. Click on the link, set up your account, and you'll see two options. The first is a checklist that lets you import everything you need into your account to get started right away. The second option is a kickoff call for those who may not be super tech savvy or need a bit of help setting up. This call is free, and in just a few minutes on Zoom, a representative will walk you through setting up your account. Once inside your account, the first thing I recommend is starting the free course that walks you through everything step by step. It's all free, and once you're familiar with the process, you can import the snapshot into your account. These snapshots contain all the essential systems like funnels, email automations, and text message automations, so you can start driving traffic and nurturing leads instantly. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by the setup, don't worry. Setting up is the hardest part, but once it's done, the rest is straightforward. Your focus will shift from setting up to simply driving traffic to your funnel. Once people enter your system, it will handle the follow-ups and automations for you. If you're not very techy, again, the free kickoff call is a great resource to help you get everything running smoothly. After importing the snapshot, you'll have all the automations, which means that when someone enters your funnel, they'll be automatically sent follow-up emails and messages. This system allows you to capture leads, follow up with them, and keep them engaged until they're ready to buy. Remember, most people won't make a purchase the first time they see your offer, so it's crucial to remarket to them multiple times through emails, texts, and other follow-up strategies. You'll also receive pre-written email templates that can be sent out for up to 70 days, following up with your leads automatically. And yes, much of this content is generated or assisted by AI, saving you time and effort while still driving results. This type of automation is why many people are making thousands of dollars a month promoting offers just like this one. Once your funnel and automations are in place, your main task is to create and share content that drives traffic. Whether you want to promote a specific product one week or rotate between several different offers, you'll have the flexibility to do so. The key is to keep driving traffic to your funnel, and the automated systems will handle the rest. Most of the content you create will either be AI generated or AI assisted, depending on your preference. If you want to record and post your own videos, that's great. If you'd rather use AI generated scripts, that's fine too. The important thing is having a system in place that continually drives traffic and engages leads, and that's what this system is designed to do. So, whether you're focused on generating traffic, closing sales, or automating the entire process, you'll have everything you need with this system. You'll have proven frameworks, email templates, and high-performing content to get started quickly. Plus, all the content we provide is based on posts that have already proven successful in driving engagement and leads in various niches like AI, online business, and personal development. By following this approach, you'll build a reliable stream of income from multiple sources. Whether you're promoting affiliate offers, software, or other services, the system is designed to help you grow and scale efficiently. Now that you understand the system, it's time to start driving traffic and creating content that converts. Remember, we'll be posting content everywhere: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then we'll watch the leads start rolling in. Let's talk about the money side of things now. How do we start earning once we have everything set up? It all comes down to building a consistent routine of content creation, day after day. Here's the thing. You're not likely to have a video go viral with 1 million views right away. It could happen, but it's unlikely. So focus on gradually warming up your social media accounts. This part is crucial. If you haven't posted for a while, maybe a year, a month, or even a week, and you're not regularly active, your chances of reaching a larger audience significantly drop. Why? Social media platforms tend to prioritize content from accounts they trust. If you're not consistently posting, your trust factor is basically zero. The platform doesn't know if your account is still active or trustworthy, and there's a risk they assume it could have been hacked or misused. To gain that trust, you need to start posting content consistently, ideally daily, but at least a few times a week. The more you post, the more your trust factor rises, signaling to the platform that you're an active, reliable user. Once the platform starts trusting your account, it will be more willing to push your viral-style content to a larger audience, giving you a higher chance of exposure. Now, you might be wondering, what type of content should I post? Ideally, you want to post content that is already proven to work. That's why I provide templates and examples based on content that has already shown great results. You can take this proven content and replicate it in your own style. I'll show you how to regenerate content quickly using simple methods like copy and paste. Then, the traffic you get from this content is directed into a sales funnel that's also proven to work. The funnel I use is the same one that successful people in my field are using, the same structure that generates millions of dollars annually. Why? Because it works. So, when you combine proven content with a proven funnel, you get results. It's that simple. To make it happen, you just need to follow the steps. Download the framework I provide, plug it into your account, and start posting content that you already know performs well. There are different types of content: shorts, long-form videos, podcasts, live streams. But don't worry, I'll guide you through it. In terms of content types, I recommend starting with short-form videos. Why? Because short-form content is the easiest to create and tends to get the most views across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. A video under 60 seconds can attract a lot of attention quickly. You might see them as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks, but they all fall under short-form content, and it's one of the biggest untapped opportunities right now. Short-form content can be tricky because it's all about packing value into a short time frame. One approach I recommend is making top 5 videos, whether it's websites, tools, or other resources. These simple videos consistently drive traffic. You just list websites or tools, give a brief description, and keep it under 60 seconds. I've seen random people gain huge followings just by making these videos. For example, you could showcase 5 useful websites and promote your own affiliate links. Even better, create a funnel where you collect leads before sending them to an affiliate page. That way, You're not just directing people to a site and hoping they buy. You're capturing their info and following up to increase the likelihood of sales. Remember, it may take some time for your account to gain traction, especially if it's brand new. But as you keep posting daily or a few times a week, you'll start building momentum. It's all about finding what works, using tools like AI to make content creation easier, and staying consistent. Once you've got a system in place, it becomes a rinse and repeat process that leads to real results. Let me know if that makes sense. Now, you might be thinking, how can I create these videos with AI? No worries, I'll show you how in a bit because at ShineFi, we've built our entire company around this. With our tool, ShineFi, you can regenerate content just by entering a script. It takes care of the rest. That's how all these videos were made. For example, we had this video about a homeless man who became successful. We just took a script, plugged it into the AI video generator, clicked Generate, and boom! We had a complete video ready to post. Connect your social media accounts to a scheduling tool like Radar, and you're set. My team uses ShineFi to create and regenerate content, and I only step in for live streams to maintain that personal touch. It's important to show people that I'm real, not just AI-generated content. Once you have this system in place, you just check in briefly each day. Are your short-form posts running? Long-form? Emails? If yes, then you're set. This method works whether you're selling tools, services, or products. Automate your systems and check in when needed. Just remember, it's not about doing something crazy, it's about consistency. Set up multiple accounts, post regularly, and automate everything else. If you want to see success, there's no magic formula or guarantee. It depends on your consistency, effort, and sometimes a bit of luck. But with the right system in place, you can build momentum and drive traffic to your funnels, leading to passive income. That's it for today.